What if Cameroon's collapse isn't an accident? What if justice, health, and education were designed to fail? I wrote this book because I refuse to stay silent. This isn't theory, it's our reality. Justice sold to the highest bidder. Hospitals without medicine, schools without hope. The system isn't broken, it's rigged. Politicians steal billions while nurses beg for gloves. Judges free criminals but jail the innocent. Our children memorize colonial textbooks while the world passes them by. Enough! In The 3 Pillars of a Failed State, I expose the truth and the way out. This book names the corruption, but more importantly, it shows how we fix it. Real reforms, real accountability, no more excuses. Singapore did it. Rwanda did it. Senegal did it. Burkina Faso is doing it. Why not Cameroon? This book made me angry. Then it made me act. Finally, someone said what we're all thinking. This isn't just a book. It's a weapon. The future of Cameroon starts with you. Buy The 3 Pillars of a Failed State today, before it's banned. They're betting you'll do nothing. Prove them wrong. Available now at Amazon, https://www.amazon.com/dp/B0F9VPCL42, The 3 Pillars of a Failed State.